5 Best Shark Vacuum for Carpet Reviews. Number 1. Shark Apex Vacuum for Carpet and Hard Floor Cleaning. The Shark Apex is an upright vacuum model that tops our list because it comes with multiple advanced features. By utilizing them all together, it becomes a good cleaner for both carpets and hard floors. You bring a vacuum with DuoClean technology, which means you have 2 powerful brush rolls in your hands to pull away all the dust hidden in your carpets. Still, if you ask me what makes it the most powerful one, it will be its groundbreaking 0M technology. With this avant-garde feature, it has grabbed the attention of thousands of customers who are once bothered to clean the brush roll tangled with hairs. Furthermore, this gadget has anti-allergen seals technology, along with the HEPA filter system. Number 2. Shark HV382 Rocket DuoClean Bagless Vacuum. If you're looking for a pet-friendly as well as a compact cleaner for your small apartment, then give a go to the Shark HV382 vacuum. Not only your pet, sometimes our hairs are embedded into the carpet and make it messy. Thankfully, this one comes with Pet Multi-Tool that uses the bristle brush for removing stuck-on debris like trash. Like the Shark Apex model, it also features DuoClean technology. With these, you get 2 additional soft brush rolls that pull out large debris from any kinds of carpets, including the high piles. Although this stuff is 9.9 pounds, you can convert it to 4.5 pounds for versatile floor-to-ceiling cleaning. When it comes to cleaning carpet, the corded vacuum like this one comes in handy as they possess a higher suction power system. As soon as you put the plug in, it starts to pick up small to large messes coming in the way. Number 3. Shark Rotator Powered TruePet Upright Vacuum. As the name suggests, this vacuum is unarguably a popular choice among the pet owners as it keeps the pet dander always under control. The only reason we put this one at number 3 is that it costs a bit more. This vacuum contains the Shark's original 2-in-1 powered lift-away system, which extends the reach and ensures better cleaning. Besides, you can use these modes in 4 ways like upright, lift away, above floor and pet power brush mode. Let's know in detail. You can activate the upright mode for maneuvering in the hard-to-reach places. In addition to this feature, it allows swivel steering that provides excellent control when you need to pass any obstacles. If you want to use the above floor mode, you have to release the handle from the wand so that you can clean the walls, windows effortlessly. Number 4. Shark Navigator Lift Away Professional Vacuum. In terms of suction capacity, design and versatility, this vacuum from Shark brand is all in all, a great choice to meet your cleaning needs. If you have itchy, runny, or stuffy nose problems due to dust, then the Shark Navigator will fix them as it has HEPA filters that can trap 99.9% dust inside the vacuum. Its work is not limited to this, it also ensures that the particle does not mix with the air. On a top note, the filtering quality of this vacuum is testified by ASTM F1977. Like another Shark vacuum, it also contains all the signature features like upright mode for powerful traditional cleaning, lift-away mode to clean the stairs and overhead stuff. The brush roll shutoff button is there to prevent damage of the floor when switching from carpet to hard floors. Number 5. Shark Ion Robot with Wi-Fi and voice control. If you want a mild and quiet cleaner that is capable of doing unattended cleaning on your voice command at any time, then place your order for this Shark Ion Robot vacuum without any further thinking. This smart device features a tri-brush system that includes a side brush, channel brush, and a multi-surface brush roll. With these, it picks up trash from all the surfaces. Next, its high suction power is worth mentioning as it sucks away everything without damaging the floor. On top of that, this smart assistant can sense stairs or projectile surfaces. Thus, it can avoid those places and even prevent sudden fall from heights. Still, the main attention span centering on the unattended cleaning. For doing that, you can preset a schedule for cleaning at a particular time.